Hello and welcome to this short video about the Redarc dual battery system that I installed in my Toyota Hilux. Most of the parts are on the sides, on the driver's side of the truck, with the battery in the rear. It's a 150 amp hour lithium battery. And the Redarc Manager 30 is mounted in the front over the wheel arch. I have a little control panel which controls all these plugs and also switches for the USB and the socket for the fridge. I also have the red vision display for my charging information, so I can keep track of what the battery is doing. Now we go on the side. I'm here at a very nice river. It's very quiet here, you only hear the river. Here, down here is the Manager 30. It's all wired up. I have solar input and also mains power for plugging it in at home for charging. And all the wiring is done over there. Also goes a wire up to the control box where everything gets controlled. I also have a solar panel which actually fits very nice in here for dead space using. Here is another point of view from the system. I made it completely by myself with the fuses there and the shunt over there over the battery. The battery is there and the manager is over there. This screen here sets it, in my opinion, apart from all the other systems that I saw or got interested in it, because I got literally, I hope you can see it, all the information that I need. And the capacity of the lithium battery it's more than enough for me. This fridge runs right now for 3 days and I haven't even charged from these 3 days in times. No charging in these 3 days. And you actually have a lot of information that you can get out of this system. You can also make some settings and all the things you need to know. You can also have a look at solar, what it is doing. Also charge per day, where you can see how much charge it is in the battery right now. And as you can see, it really holds up the charge even when I'm using it with the fridge. So no problems at all. Before I had this system, I had a power station where you can carry it around. This is not possible anymore, but it's worth the trade-off. I really have no issues at all with low charge or even capacity problems. It runs everything with no problems. I really like it. The installation part takes a little bit of time, but take your time and do it right, because your safety depends on it. And it's not that much. It takes maybe a day or so to everyone get assembled. Not counted in the ordering, the additional stuff like wires, cable ties and everything else. But it's really worth the time and effort to make this system. Thanks for watching this short video. I hope you find your information you need, and I will stay here for a couple of hours and enjoy this enjoyable place. Thanks for watching.